Today we're making this classic thumbprint cookie. We're going to start off with 1 cup of softened butter and 2/3 cup of sugar. We're going to give this a quick mix. Add in 2 room temperature egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give that a quick mix. Now we're going to add in 2 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. When measuring out flour for this particular recipe, I suggest spooning and leveling the flour. I recommend not scooping out the flour for this recipe. Just a quick note here, this mixture will be very dry looking and crumbly at first, but keep mixing. It will eventually come together, I promise. Once your dough looks something like this, take your cookie scooper, about a tablespoon's worth, and roll it into a ball. Take your ball and gently roll it around in some sugar, giving the entire ball a light coating. To a parchment-lined baking sheet, take a teaspoon and gently press it down into the center of your cookie, like so. I found it easier to do all of these steps in batches. So first I would measure out several pieces of dough, ball them up and then roll them in sugar, and then press them all one after the other. Once you have pressed all of your cookies with your teaspoon, it's time to select a filling. I'm going with this lemon curd and this other assorted berries jar. Pick your favorite or whatever you happen to have in your pantry. Spoon in half a teaspoon into each cookie. Into the oven at 350 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes. And here they are, completely cooled. To finish these cookies, we're going to make a simple glaze to drizzle on top. To a bowl, we're going to add in half a cup of powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of water. Mix, mix, mix. The more water you add, the thinner your glaze will be. You could use a sandwich bag here, a piping bag, or even a fork will do. Drizzle your glaze over your cookies like so, and be sure to let it completely set before trying to stack your cookies. I really enjoyed making these cookies. There's something about them that gives me the thoughts of an afternoon tea party, something I've enjoyed doing in the past with my mom on special occasions. If you're interested in making these cookies, I will insert an ingredients list right here for those of you that want to make this. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video and would like to see more, please like and subscribe to my channel.